Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to send money to friends through Bright. You need to pay a friend back or split a bill. Bright makes peer-to-peer transfer fast and easy. Open the Bright app and sign into your account, and once you're signed in, from the home screen you're going to tap on the payment or send money option. Next, select to a friend, or you can just choose the person from your recent contact list. You can also enter their Bright username, phone number, or email address. Enter the amount that you want to send, and now you can add a note or description if you'd like dinner or movie tickets, just to let them know what the transfer is about, and then confirm the details and tap send. You may need to authenticate with your PIN, your fingerprint, or Face ID, of course, depending on your settings. You're gonna see a confirmation once the payment goes through. The recipient gets notified instantly in their Bright app. If you want to view past transactions, just check your payment history from the Payments tab. Sending money with Bright is exactly that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy how-tos with Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.